My name is Santiago, and we have had solar for about 6 months. To me, it's almost like triple benefit because you're saving money on power, you're helping the environment, but you can use the $200-300 that you're saving every month and start a college fund for your kids. What made us choose Southern Energy was they were able to provide information right away about how many kilowatt hours we're going to be using, about how many panels. They gave us a couple options to go 100% solar, go 50% solar. For this size house, I just went all the way. We did have a guarantee from Southern Energy that we would be producing so many kilowatts and that the size of the system would be enough to power the whole house. They were able to basically tell me, over the next 20 years, this is the kind of cost benefit it's going to be. The electric bill when we were in Seattle was about $150 a month. Even though this house is twice the size as our previous house, here we're paying $16. Just the amount of information I was able to get from them, knowing that this company is reliable, we were able to get a whole package. It's been a very positive choice that we've made. We're extremely happy.